Hi, good day. M6359. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Teresa Belano, 25 years of age. I am single. I am graduate college taking up cruise ship management, and I am Roman Catholic.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
As a helper, I have experienced good for 2 years and 3 months of being household helper.
How many members of the family do you serve?
The members that I serve is good for 5 members.
Okay. How old?
The elders is the elders 65 years old and 70 years old. And the babies is only 2 years old.
2 years old.
Yes.
Other household chores that you do?
I'm washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking also.
Okay, you are the one who do all the household chores like cooking, taking care of a dogs, four, right? Four
Yes.
dogs, and also a newborn baby. So you're taking care of a newborn until 2 years old, right?
Yeah.
So you are the one who took care of this newborn baby since
Yeah.
birth.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby, and it
Yeah.
is okay to you to take care of a newborn.
Yeah.
Okay, if the newborn is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature of the baby, and also I will check the diaper if it is full, and also check the tummy.
Okay, if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, you feed the baby, you check the diaper, you check also the temperature, but won't stop to cry, what will you do?
I will call the parents, and I will tell them that the baby is not stop crying,
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because for I know the Hong Kong is the safest country, and also have a high salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me to stay.
So it is okay to you to be extended,
Yeah.
right? But you have to finish your contract first, right? Okay.
Yes.
If do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
For now, I have no idea, but I'm willing to learn
And how?
by
Okay.
watching YouTube and learning in cooking books.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do. You could also ask to your employer if you got an employer in Hong Kong if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yeah.
It is okay to you to share job without a helper.
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
If the employers needed me.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, I will.
Taking care of elderly.
I will.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yeah.
How about cutting your hair into short? It is okay with you.
Yeah.
How about not to use cell phone without your employer's consent?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
my
will
last
manage.
question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, I hope you choose me to be a helper. I will do my best to be a good helper to them.
Okay, can you also promise that you will follow the rules and
Yes.
regulations and also take good care of their children as your own?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Teresa. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Okay.